Hi everybody and welcome to Blue Sky Nail Secrets. I'm your global ambassador, Anna Almbanis, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite products. It's the Mini Starter Kit. This kit is perfect for traveling. It's easy to carry, fits in your bag. It's the perfect emergency kit. It comes with a base coat, a top coat, a fashion color, nail wipes, USB cord, a 6-watt lamp, and a nail buffer and a file. First, use the mini nail file to file your nails in the desired shape. Push back your cuticles, only trim if necessary. Gently buff your nails with the mini nail buffer. This is to remove the shine from the top of your nails so the gel can adhere to them. Clean your nails with a Blue Sky cleanser wipe to remove any dust and debris and to clean your nails before beginning. Apply a thin layer of your 5 ml base coat to all nails, capping the ends. Avoid the skin and cuticles. Cure for 60 to 90 seconds under the Blue Sky mini lamp. It will still be tacky, but this is normal, as this is what allows the next coat to bond to the gel base. Please note, a longer cure may be needed if the coat is applied too thick, so ensure each coat is thin and can be cured properly in the given time. Apply your gel color coat in the same way as the base coat, a thin coat, cap the end, avoid your skin. Cure the gel polish for 60 to 90 seconds. Repeat step 3 and 4, building up the color each time. 1 coat will give a sheer finish, 2 is normal, 3 will be a solid color. Apply a thin layer of your 5 ml top coat just like the others. Cure the gel top coat for 60 to 90 seconds. Use a Blue Sky cleanser wipe to remove the sticky residue, leaving behind super shiny nails. And that's it for our mini starter kit. Please contact your local Blue Sky distributor and don't forget to follow us on our social media. We look forward to reading your comments.